every day. You are the time lapse with so much yet to offer, and I cling to you and dance and say to you, my dear, how can I not be true? There is a mystery, it's in your manner, a delicate rush of style and grace. Under pressure, all I do is pray. Whenever witnessing your newest glow, your holy sacraments keep danger out. They are the blessings and the rituals that they make your peace with everything. They are the rites that assuage all doubts regarding beauty and your history. There is a narrative of power, yes. You make it rich with thought and smiles, while all the while your hours wind down into the landscape of the utmost rhyme.